Let's just talk about what's going on now. Visibility. We had a little bit of fog out there this morning. Still seeing some lower visibility in portions of Stark County. Worcester, 5 miles, just under 2 in the Canton area, but it's improving, and we're expecting that through the day. Could even see some more sunshine here. Cloud cover around right now. Overall, it's going to be quieter than yesterday, but we are still going to be real hot and real humid. Temperatures are going to be in the 80s, feeling like the low 90s as we head through the afternoon. Could have some areas, especially west, that feel even hotter than that. But overall, the rain chances are a little smaller. Now, when it is this humid outside, you can't rule out a pop-up shower or two. But overall, we're trending drier until our next cold front starts to slowly make its way here through the next couple of days. That'll bring some more showers, and then eventually a change in the weather pattern, which is going to be a nice change, a little bit of relief. Today, though, again, temps going to be topping out in the upper 80s, around 90. It'll feel hotter than that just because of how humid it is out there. We do have a little bit of a north wind, though, that could pick up a little bit more this afternoon. That could make things a little choppy out there on Lake Erie, but overall, across the board here, you can see because of that north wind, we're a bit cooler along the lakeshore. Everywhere else, just shy of that 90-degree mark. Again, where we have some of these hotter temperatures right around 90. That's where things could be feeling extra hot, again, closer to that triple-digit mark as we head into the afternoon hours. But overall, it's quiet. It's just hot and muggy. Rain chances move in middle part of the week before the pattern starts to change. We're talking about lower humidity and high temperatures in the 70s. I'll let you know when those make a return to that first alert 7-day coming up here in a few minutes. Waves being a little calmer, but it could pick up a little bit more this afternoon. So next few days here, we are hot and muggy today. Again, going to be feeling like the 90s. Tomorrow, we're still warm and muggy, around 90. And then once this front comes through, this is when the pattern starts to change. Temperatures dipping back into the 70s, lower humidity. I was telling Shannon earlier this morning, it's one of the best weekends. I know it's only Tuesday, but looking ahead, one of the best weekends we've had so far this summer, I think, is going to be this weekend. So muggy meter, we're still tropical, basically tropical tomorrow, and then on Thursday it starts to get a little bit better. Still have some of that summertime humidity, but improvements come as we head towards the end of the week. First alert Doppler radar. It's nice and quiet right now. We've got a system, this little front that's just hanging over us right now. It's keeping things moist, keeping things a little bit unsettled. Why we can't rule out even just a pop-up shower or storm each day, but overall it's quiet. This off to our west here, what we're looking at with all these clouds and all that mumbo jumbo, that's a cold front. That's eventually what's going to bring us the rain chances as we head towards the middle and end of the week here. Hour by hour as we head through this afternoon, again, small risk of a shower, but we're just going to be hot and humid. 5 o'clock temperatures in the mid 80s again because we'll have a little bit of that northerly component to the wind. We'll keep things a little bit cooler along the lakeshore. The rest of us will be pushing into the 90s, feeling like we're pushing into the 90s. The actual temperature will be in the upper 80s. As we head through the overnight hours, that does mean it's going to be another fairly warm start to the day. Waking up tomorrow morning, we'll have a lot of 70s on the board. As we head through the afternoon hours tomorrow, we're doing it all again, pushing near that 90-degree mark. Again, won't be as humid, but it's still going to be hot out there, especially if you're in direct sunlight. I know we've got a concert at Blossom tonight, a lot of outdoor activities each and every evening. These are the types of days where you're like, oh, it's just summertime. Grab the extra water, grab the extra sunscreen, because these are the surprise days that could get you, especially because we're not tracking too much in the rain department until we get into Thursday. By tomorrow evening, we're still in the 80s. We are still warm. Again, the changes start to come after we get through this front on Thursday. That'll bring the showers and knock down the humidity a little bit and the overnight temperature. So I mentioned the next couple days going to be real hot. Overnight temps are still going to be on the warmer side, around 70 or just shy of it. Now heading into the weekend, look at sunny with some clouds and 75 on Friday. Look at the wake up temperatures in the morning. It's going to be those days where it's a little cooler in the morning. Maybe just grab the hoodie or the pants with the t-shirt when you're walking out the door in the morning. Then 70s near 80 in the afternoon each day. Really nice and quiet too. So any activities, events, concerts, things going on this weekend, you won't have to worry about the rain interfering. As we head into early next week, we hold on to that pattern too. We're back in the low 80s come Monday. Jeff's going to talk about what the pattern looks like heading into August, because that is on Friday on First Alert Focus tonight. You can tune in at 7:30 on Cleveland's 43.